Just about all of these opposite direction things that we've done so far have come from side opposite left, where the left is over and right is under. Okay, the first question is getting into the horizontal plane, because you have to do the plane break. If it's with your right hand, you plane break in the front, and then you'll come into your counterclockwise. The other one is your left hand is overhand, and it plane breaks in the back, and you'll still come into counterclockwise. Because you just did that half of it with each hand, the next step I would say is try this, where you're doing the 4-petal like this, and then you plane break both at once into the cap, and then you plane break both at once back into the 4-petal. I think when you're doing plane breaks, finish is a relevant thing. What I mean by finish is, instead of jabbing it into place, like I'm just jabbing, I'll call that jabbing, versus giving yourself the time to finish and have the time to do the fullness of the 0 point, getting all the way to the 0 point before tugging too soon, if you will. It's like when you shorten a stall and you don't let it have its full expression. So let the move simple. You have that first break. Now when you're going back, it's when your right is in the back, left is in the front, you break, right? So you're here. If we were gonna do your right hand, your right hand is here when it's in the back. You're going to 0 point. So for me, it feels like as it's coming over my right shoulder to the back position, I'm trying to shoot for getting it to stop there. And then as it stops, I whoosh my hand under to get it to go up and forward back into the 4-petal. If you turned the cap so that it was on its side like this, when you're getting to, right, you have your whoosh to the side and then your whoosh around and you go to the back. From this back position, it's like half a petal, and then you come up. Now I'm rotating it again. Oh, you basically just go back and do what you just did in the opposite direction, because you're plane breaking. If you want to just drill the breaks, what you could do is this. Just cut off the bottom. So what you're basically doing is a 3D 4-petal anti-spin, where half of it's going horizontal and the other half of it is the top half. Your left hand is going to go from the front position. You get into it from the back, and then from the front position, you're going to whoosh it up. Whoosh it up. That's a technical term. Whoosh it up. So your overhand, when you're going into it, again, remember what I said about the finish? I think if you wait longer for it to stop before you plane break, or you pull it out to the side, I think you'll get it flatter. So wait for it, then go. Oh, everything's hard until it's not, right?